What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's an early rainy Sunday morning, but I'm so excited because I'm driving to pick up some drag radials for my Mustang. Now you may be asking, Roman, why would you need drag radials on your daily driver? Isn't that unsafe? The short answer is I get no traction on my car. My first gear, no traction. Second gear, no traction. Third gear, if I'm lucky, if it's warm enough, sometimes traction. I tried putting wide tires on there. I tried summer tires. Nothing really works for me. So we're picking up some Mickey Thompson ET Street SS drag radials. They are legal on the street. We're gonna go pick them up right now, and then I'll tell you more about them. We're gonna install them, and then we're gonna see how much of a difference they make. So yeah, let's go get them. So I'm unloading the tires right now, and look how meaty these things look. They look insane. This angle right here, you can kind of tell how much bigger this tire is. We got a much bigger sidewall, but if I didn't know any better, I'd probably guess that these wouldn't fit on my car. But I've done a lot of research, and this size definitely fits. It's gonna be a snug one, but that's fine. As you can see, this is what the old tire looks like. And this is how much bigger the new tire is going to be. Okay, the day has come. We're on our way to the tire shop right now to get these installed. I actually waited a couple of days and ordered 2 more tires for the front, just so the sidewall of these matches the wider, bigger sidewall of those. Because as you can see, my current front tires are really skinny and they made the ride really harsh. So we're gonna throw those on too. So anyway, let's go get all these loaded up. So we're driving to get these installed, but first I wanted to set a baseline 0 to 60 run. So I'm going to warm up the tires a little bit, and then I'm going to do a 0 to 60 run, and the car is actually going to tell me, I have a track app in there, that it's going to tell me what our 0 to 60 time is. I'm expecting something really bad. I mean, it's just over 60 degrees, but these tires barely ever hook, so we'll see. All right, so here we go. All right, so we got 5.8 seconds, as you guys can see. Spun all the way through first, all the way through second, fishtailed a little bit, not very good, and that was sort of downhill. So 5.8 seconds for a 5.0 V8 is not a good time at all. Matter of fact, this was supposed to be getting about 4.6. So hopefully we get closer to that. Now let's install these tires and see how much better of a time we get next time. These front ones, look how beefy they look. That's the rears and that's the fronts, and it's really close back here to the strut, so it might be rubbing a little bit, so I might have to switch them back. First impressions, I put my foot down hard a couple of times already driving out of the shop, and I don't even know how to explain it. It's like you don't even have tires. It's like you're just glued to the road and you put your foot down and it just goes. Like you feel all the insane torque putting you back, but there's no tire slip, no tire sounds. And the awesome part is, because it's such a bigger sidewall, the ride quality just got so much better. I love the ride quality right now. And the front wheels, I'm turning it all the way right now. So far they're not rubbing. I think we're good. I'm gonna drive around some more, make sure it's fine, and then we're gonna do some tests. All right, so it's 58 degrees outside, so it's not perfect for these drag radials. Let's just say that. But we're gonna do an acceleration run right now. Press OK to begin. All right, so here is our time we got. Keep in mind it's 58 degrees and it's a little bit, the roads are a little bit wet. They're not perfect. I didn't warm up the tires and we got 4.7 seconds, which is a second improvement, which doesn't sound like a lot, but in real terms, that is a lot. That is a lot faster. I know this cars and these Mustangs are capable of a lot better times than this. If you do it properly and you warm up the tires and you're on the correct surface, this was just a comparison of how much drag radials actually make of a difference. As you see, it improved by 1 second. Even though when we ran these tires, it was drier and warmer, and now it's wetter and colder, and we still improved by 1 second. So that's an amazing time, and I'm super happy with it. So definitely giving these tires a big thumbs up. So yeah, that's about it. To sum up, I'm really happy with these tires so far. The 0 to 60 time, I don't really care as much about that. I just care about being able to actually get traction on the road, which now I do. And so far in this pretty crappy weather for these tires, I haven't had the wheels slip at all. Like in first gear, second gear, third gear, just perfect. The ride quality is much improved. And honestly, just the looks themselves, I think look a lot better. So I give these tires a big thumbs up. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.